Hello everyone, this is Victor again. Welcome to my channel, which is Pinay Real Life in the USA. So today is Friday. My 6-year-old grandson is here. He said, "Grandma, can you cook me some Filipino chicken adobo with rice and soy sauce?" So I'm gonna cook chicken adobo for my grandson. Here's the drumstick. Coated the garlic. That's so good. And then half of the red onion. I'm just gonna saute this gisa. In Filipino, we call it gisa. This is a simple chicken adobo that my grandson he requested it. Every time he visits me, that's what he likes. So I have to cook chicken adobo for my grandson and my son. They both here. And of course I have to use one Mamacita mix adobo seasoning. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit black pepper. I'm gonna use parsley flakes because I don't know, I'm out of bay leaves. And then a little bit salt. And sprinkle with whole oregano. And Maggi seasoning to improve the taste of the adobo. And I'm gonna put a little bit soy sauce, lak choy. We love lak choy, soy sauce. And I'm gonna put a little bit, maybe about 3 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. Oregano a little bit. Parsley flakes a little bit. And I'm going to put all this drumstick. Drumstick. More drumstick. Bay leaves, but it's only one in there. I only have 1 bay leaves. Oh well, I guess I'll buy some more in the store. I'm using the last bay leaf. I'm going to put some water bottle, and another water bottle. Now I can go ahead and add this one adobo mix. Make sure I got every little bit of it there. And mix it all up. And I'm gonna add this a little bit chicken powder to make it taste so much better. That's a chicken powder. It's called chicken bouillon. See, chicken bouillon. It's a Spanish seasoning, y'all. It's very tasty. Okay, so I'm gonna add the vinegar later on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let it boil. That's my 1 bay leaves. I'm glad I have one. So I'm gonna let it boil for about 10 minutes. I need to have my other hand. There you go. I love this pressure cooker. It makes whatever I cook, like chicken or ribs. These pressure cookers, it make it so like the meat so tender, and I love using this. So I'm gonna boil this chicken adobo for about 10 minutes. I'm cooking chicken adobo. At the same time, I'm baking chicken wings for JD. Now also I'm gonna fry my tofu. Instead of rice, I'm gonna eat tofu. And fried my eggplant. I'm gonna cook this 2 tofu for me. And then the rest, I'll put in the freezer. I cook it some other time. I'm gonna cut this tofu in a square, in a small square like this. There. And I'm gonna fry those. For the meantime, there's my chicken adobo. It's a chicken adobo. I'm going to check my tofu. Chicken wings is done. My tofu. I did not want to eat rice, so I decided I was just want to eat tofu and eggplant. This eggplant, I'm going to sprinkle it with seasoned salt a little bit and black pepper and onion powder. Onion powder and garlic powder and a little bit organic turmeric. And 1 tablespoon of flour. My tofu is done. So the chicken adobo, it looks so good and it smells good. I think it's done. I'm just gonna simmer it. I need to taste it. Tikman muna. Ay, it's so good. I'm just gonna simmer this. It's all done. I burn my eggplant. So that's JD's dinner. This is the grandson and my son dinner. And this is mine. The tofu is done. It's mine. Everybody have their own dinner. And I have to cook everything. But I love cooking for my grandson, my son, my family. I love cooking for them because they like Filipino food. So the chicken adobo is all done, y'all. It looks so good and smells good. So all my cooking tonight is all done. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe, which is Pinay Real Life in the USA. Thank you. You'll have a good day. God bless. Bye.